of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the common Poorwill. This small nightjar has a big, flat head, a short tail, a white neckband, and large, reflective eyes. They have a small-looking bill, but a huge mouth. Their mouth is surrounded by stiff, hair-like feathers called rictal bristles. These help them detect prey. They're mostly gray and brown and patterned to blend in perfectly with the leaf litter on the forest floor. That's because common poorwills spend the day resting on the ground. At night, they hunt for insects from low perches and are known for their erratic, irregular flight style. They're found throughout western North America. On cold nights, poorwills go into a state of torpor, lowering their body temperature, their breathing, and their heart rate to conserve energy. Males sing a whistled poorwillop on repeat. Tune in next week for another